Hello my bonsai friends, konnichiwa. Today we will prune a wild olive tree with a particular shape. It's a yamadori tree collected in nature. Observing it carefully, the plant itself suggests two styles we can make: the multi-trunk bonsai or a raft style bonsai. My idea is to make a raft style bonsai called ikadabuki in Japanese, as the side branches are oblique and their twigs all develop in one direction. Let's take our pruning tool and get started. First, we are going to shorten the long main branches that will represent our new chunks of the chosen style. Using a raffia and a metal wire, we anchor the side branch to the pot to position it horizontally. Furthermore, with the use of a pole and a raffia, we position the central branch vertically and then shorten it. At this point, we are going to close the wounds using the healing mastic. For the moment, I will stop here and wait a few months after seeing the plant's reaction to perform other operations. Unfortunately, we cannot shorten the twigs on the branches very much, because it is always necessary to keep at least two pairs of leaves on each twig to prevent it from drying out. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any questions, you can write in the comments, and I will answer you as soon as possible. The video ends here. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my channel with your friends, and like the video to support me. Thank you. Sayonara!